What's going on? This is Coach Kev. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with credit repair using an amazing app called Klarna. So the person that will be inviting you to start working on your credit, they have a website that looks just like this. So you're going to hit services, you'll hit Freedom Wealth, and then you'll copy this link. Okay. Then you'll go over to Klarna. If you don't have this app downloaded, just shoot that person a text message and they'll send you over a link so you can download Klarna. You're going to hit where it says at the bottom payments. You will hit all purchases and then you will hit start shopping. And remember, you copied the link. You'll just paste it here. Click that area. Boom. Once you see the Klarna link at the bottom, that means you did it right. Okay. You're going to hit enroll. You'll put your information here. Hit you're not a robot. Then hit next. All right. You have three options. The one that most people choose is this one. It comes with personal credit. This comes with personal credit and business credit. And then, of course, this is the annual, so you can pay one time. But this is the famous one. It's $189 down, $99 a month, and you can actually work on your personal credit immediately. You'll hit continue. Then, of course, you'll put your address. You hit next. And then as you can see, it says $189 down, $99 a month. And then you're at the payment information. So your next step, you hit pay with Klarna. Create your card. I will do the card for $200. Hit continue. Nope, you don't want to add 10% additional. Hit that. Here are the options. Every 2 weeks, you can pay $50. Most people pick the second option in 3 payments for $68. You can do that right now. So let's just pick that one. As you can see, 0 due today. Hit continue. It'll ask you to enter in your debit card. Don't worry, it won't charge your card. You enter in your card information and then follow the steps. And voila, you can start your credit repair without having all the money. This is Coach Kev signing off. I'll see you on the other side.